Sa ika-1 ng Pebrero at 2025 ay nakatakdang ganapin ang pre-Valentine concert, na may titulong Halik sa Ulan, ng Pinoy rock band na Aegis. Pero hindi na kumpleto ang grupo dahil sa pagpanaw ng isa sa mga lead vocalist na si Mercy Sunot. Pumanaw si Mercy dahil sa cancer sa Stanford Hospital and Clinic sa San Francisco, California, noong gabi ng ika-17 ng Nobyembre taong 2024, ika-18 ng Nobyembre ng umaga sa Pilipinas. Siya ay 48. Kinumpirma ng Aegis, sa pamamagitan ng kanilang official Facebook page, ang malungkot na balita. Nakasaad dito, "It is with heavy hearts that we share the news of the passing of Mercy, one of the beloved vocalists of Aegis band. She bravely fought her battle with cancer but has now found peace and rest. Mercy's voice wasn't just a part of Aegis, it was a voice that brought comfort, joy, and strength to so many. She has touched countless lives, inspiring fans and lifting spirits with every song she sang. Her passion, warmth, and unforgettable presence on stage will forever be cherished in our hearts. Let us come together to celebrate the incredible life she lived and the legacy she leaves behind. Mercy, thank you for the music, the love, and the memories. You will be deeply missed." Nagpahiwatig din ng pagdadalamati ang kanyang kapatid at kapwa Aegis member na si Juliet Sunot sa Facebook post nito. Nakasaad dito, "The hardest thing I've ever done, I wear a mask from day to day and try to cope in my own way. I'll miss you till we meet again and long for you each day till then.